Hi, this is Rakesh with the Ram Real Estate Group, and welcome to 183 St. Anne's Place, which is located in Aston Oaks Golf Course community. And this single floor plan living is totally outstanding when I say that when you walk in this home, this single floor plan living overlooks this Aston Oaks Golf Course, which is designed by Jack Nicklaus. And plus, that finished lower level has got panoramic views. Let's go check it out. I'm so glad that you had the opportunity to take a look at this gorgeous ranch at Aston Oaks. Please reach out to either myself or somebody from our team at 513-608-1199. Thank you.